Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel Emotional Fitness. Namaste. Today, let us see how we can say no to people. Saying no is an important aspect of staying true to ourselves. It is good to help others when they really need it. But when we start doing often, then we start losing faith in ourselves. You have a lot of work to do for yourself, but suddenly your boss comes and says, "This is an important project, so please complete this for me." You want to say yes, but you cannot say it because you are already burdened with a lot of work yourself. Then it is wise to say no in such situations. Since we are not able to say no to others, we keep on betraying our own self, and the relationship with our own self suffers. In such situations, the Bach flower remedy will help us to say no. Some people cannot say no to other people's request. They feel what the other people would think, and so they readily agree to help them because they are weak-willed personalities, and so they go on doing other people's work and pile up their work and then take extra time to do it. In such situations, the Bach flower remedy century would be of great help to the person who cannot say to other people's obligations. Century restores personal strength and promotes consciousness. We become aware of our self-worth and we feel that we are also having the equal right to lead our own lives. Some people suffer from inferiority complex and so they are not able to lead their own lives. They start doing other people's work and start pleasing them and helping them, and they are always ready to help other people. For such type of people, the Bach flower remedy century along with larch will help them to become independent and boost up their confidence and see that they can lead their own lives. They become self-aware and then they start to think of their own self-interest. Some people do not have belief in their own selves, and so they feel that other people will know better than them, and so they keep on asking others what I should be doing or what you would do if you were in my place. And they keep on doing things according to others' wish. For such type of people, the Bach flower remedy combination century along with Serato will boost up their confidence in their own opinion, and they start taking their own opinions and they start doing the things according to their own wish. The combination of century along with Serato will help us to become braver, stronger and more independent and believe in our own opinions. Some people gladly sacrifice themselves, but their motivation is a combination of selfishness and selflessness. A person who sacrifices himself expects something in return. For example, a mother does all the things for her children, and when they become big, she expects that they will help her in her old age. In such situations, the Bach flower remedy century along with chicory will help them to reduce their dependency and exploitation of their relationship. Century is the main remedy for the weak-willed personalities, those who are not able to say no and so they suffer a lot. For example, a boy wanted to do engineering in his studies and he wanted to continue with his engineering degree and not do other subjects. But his father made him to study statistics, and for he was having a shop and he wanted his son to sit in the shop, which he didn't like, but he couldn't say no to his father, and so he finally ended up completing his degree and sat in the shop. But he was not satisfied with the job which he was doing and he suffered a lot. For all such type of people, the Bach flower remedy century is of great help. It will help them to say no to the situations which they are not interested in and help them to develop their self-independence and be confident in their own decisions. This is some of the remedies which are helpful in saying no. In the coming videos, I will be taking up some more situations where we are not able to say no and suffer a lot in our life. If you all like this video, like, share, comment. And if you are watching this video for the first time, subscribe to my channel Emotional Fitness and click the bell icon for further notifications. Thank you.